Easily edit and share your recordings from Webex by Cisco. First, let's connect to Webex in the Project Manager. Click on this button in the upper right-hand corner. A menu will appear giving you integration options. Click here to connect with Webex. Check here to connect any locally saved recordings from a folder on your computer. Please note that you'll want to create a specific folder for all of your Webex recordings. You can do that from Webex. Click here to choose a folder. You can change the folder location at any time. To enable editing of your cloud recordings, check here to connect your Webex account. Log into Webex. You'll need to grant access to ScreenPal. You are now ready to edit your Webex recordings in the video editor. Your Webex meeting recordings will appear as video thumbnails in the Project Manager. You will notice that the recordings from Webex will display their original date and time. Click on any Webex thumbnail to import your recording for editing. Easily enhance your recordings with overlays, cut sections of your recordings, add text for clarity, and more with this easy Webex integration. Create, share, and experience video with ScreenPal.